everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are making this lovely tree ring. The colors will be in my description bar along with a link on how to mix your paints. So I'm taking my paint and I'm going around in a circular motion, and as I keep going around, my paint will spread. If you want to see how I layered my cup, stay to the end of the video for a tutorial. So you just want to take your paint and go front to back and side to side, and you want to try to go in a circular motion if you want to try to keep the center of your tree ring. So I'm taking my drippings and I'm going around and covering up any bare areas around my corners and my edges. So I'm taking my torch lighter and I'm going around the painting and removing any air bubbles. And here is the final painting. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. See ya!